Today's video is about me selling luxury handbags and accessories. So if you like luxury bags, luxury accessories and everything, stay tuned on this channel and I'll see you in a few seconds after the intro. Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. I'm super happy to see you again here. Thank you for watching my videos. I just started this YouTube channel in English because I already have my French YouTube channel. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot. I'm 27 years old and I live in Barcelona. I am French, as you can hear with my accent, so sorry in advance. Be kind and be nice with me. If I say like wrong things, do not hesitate to correct me in the comments. I'd be very happy to, because I need to improve my English. I'm so happy to make you this kind of videos. All of the videos I'm making are about luxury handbags, luxury accessories, luxury jewelry. I love this. This is my main topics and my main subjects on this channel. This is not all my life, obviously, but I love it. So I'm gonna talk about all of this and also about fashion, beauty, and maybe sometimes vlogs if you want it to see like my everyday life, my everyday entrepreneur life, because I've created 2 companies so far and I will talk about it like maybe later. But the first one I'm going to talk about is here right now, because I already made you like one video about the things that I'm selling right now, handbags and accessories, shoes and everything. And this is another one here. I'm very happy because few other stuff were already sold. The Louis Vuitton Monceau is already sold. The Louis Vuitton Keepall 55 is already sold. The Louis Vuitton Elise Wallet is already sold too. So these are not available anymore. I'm very happy because the Monceau was so asked. This is crazy. I'm gonna find other ones. This was very good prices. So this is also why, and I'm so happy. I will try my best to find other pieces. If you are looking for something specific, do not hesitate to ask me. I might try to find it and I might find it because I'm pretty good at finding luxury stuff. I love this. This is what I like to do. So if you are new to this channel, if you don't know me yet, I'm always talking about luxury. I love it. And I also created my own company where I sell luxury stuff. And I have to admit, this is my dream job. I love to do it because I'm looking for special pieces, special designer items, and I freaking love this. This is like my best job ever, and I've created the website, so if you want to see what's online already, you can go and see it. It's bamluxurystore.com. If you don't follow us yet on Instagram and TikTok, you can. And we are doing lives each Sunday night at 7 p.m. Paris time, and it's 1 p.m. New York City time, and I think 10 a.m. Pacific time. So if you want to watch a live on TikTok or Instagram, you can. You will see the designer items before this video. So each video I'm making, you're gonna see it in live before. So why not? Anyway, I'm going to start now with this amazing designer item. I don't know what to say because I'm shocked. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I found this. This is like so rare to find. Like this is Supreme versus Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh. This was very hard to find actually because this is an insane collaboration. I love it. I definitely love it. This is the Louis Vuitton Pochette de Jour, which is an amazing piece at first, and also from Supreme. Oh my gosh, this one is amazing. Like, it's gonna be hard to find another one, guys, especially in this condition, especially with this price. So this is red epi leather. This is a very good condition, as you can see. I'm gonna add the photo on the website. All the links of the items here will be in description below the video. Don't hesitate to see the links, guys. Okay, so hardware is silver and this is a very, very, very good condition. I'm gonna open it and ta-da! So I'm gonna show you what's this just after. So the inside is in perfect condition. This is suede black suede. Yes, this is amazing. We had the etiquette here in red, and guys, they have like still the etiquette and papers inside. This is crazy, like it's almost brand new. This is insane. And you have a serial number just inside here. I will add every detail on the website. So this is a really good one. And this is the Entreprise certificate. I don't have for all designer items the Entreprise certificates, but I'm very careful with the items I choose, and I do like lots of digging. I check every item I receive, and if I have a little doubt, I don't take it. Like, I do not take it if I have any doubt. So be assured, this all are authenticated. Anyway, this is the Entreprise like certificate. So this is like a real deal. This is a very famous company who authenticates things, designer items. So this is a good one. I have it for this one because this is like a very big designer pieces, and this is a rare one, so I wanted to have it like very. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna give you the price. So I'm gonna give you in USD and in Euro. So USD is 1,880 USD approximately, because I have a price in Euro on the website, but if you are connected on the website from the USA, you're gonna have USD price. If you are, I don't know, connected from any other country, UK, for example, you're gonna have the prices in pounds. I made this on the website for you to be easier. So, and in euro, it's 1,890 euros, 1,890 euros. Voila! So I'm so happy because this is like kind of a good price for this pochette. This is a very rare item, so if you want it, go get it because you're not gonna see it very often. Okay, I'm gonna go for the second one, which is this pochette accessoire in French. Something very asked by a lot of people because this is very affordable and this is very trendy, very nice to wear. So I have like a very good price for this one. This is Canva monogram. This is in very good condition. This is not dry at all. I try to be very careful with the Canva I take. This one is in very good condition. Inside is like super condition. There is like no stains, no big stains, nothing. It's almost, actually the inside is like kind of new. This is very well. So I'm very happy. I'm going to show you here. I love this one. I love this bag, actually. This is amazing. I have a strap here, which has like stains because this is a vintage one. This does not smell like vintage, so this is a good thing, of course. The strap is in very good shape. We can say it has like small stains, of course. And it was glued again because this was glued at first, of course, by Louis Vuitton. But it was glued again because it was like detached a bit. On this model, the only thing a bit worrying is that it detached sometimes like a lot. A lot of vintage are detached. So it was glued again, but it was well done. So this is really nice actually. And so here is very good. The only problem on this one, and this is why I'm making like such a good price, you're gonna be amazed. This is because of the closing of the bag here. Well, you can see it closes and it opens, but the only thing is that I don't know how it is called. If you have a name, just tell me in the comments. I don't even know how it is called. So it's a tirette. It's the small thing here you use to take this, like to close it and to open it. I don't know how it is said, but anyway, you can still like open the bag and close the bag. This is just a little part missing. You can go to Louis Vuitton to repair it. You can go to anyone else. This is really easy to repair and this is not expensive to repair. I could go to Vuitton and ask them, but I don't want to repair necessarily because I want to make you like a super good price. So why not? If I see you want a reparation, I will try to see how much it can cost, but I don't think it's very expensive because this is very simple to change, like very easy. So about the price for the pochette accessoire is 367 USD approximately and 369 euros. So this is actually an amazing price, guys. I'm so excited because this one is perfect. I love it. Like this is so trendy. Like this is small. This is perfect. It can be used also for a pochette in the bag. This is amazing. This is like a good gift ideas for Christmas, for anniversary, for birthdays, for St. Valentine's Day. I don't know, for lots of reasons, this is a good gift. If you want like to make friends gift with lots of different friends, this is good. This is very good. This is gonna be very asked. Okay, I'm gonna go for another bag. I'm gonna go for this one because this is a special one for me. For those who know me already, I made another video. I'm gonna show you soon my whole luxury handbags collection, hopefully. And in this luxury handbag collection, I have this bag. I have it in smaller version, but this is exactly the same. And this is the Noé Epilever in red. This was my first handbag because luxury handbags my mother had was this one, and I wanted the same for my first handbag. This is kind of like very story time, but I love it. And I was able to find it, and it's in such an amazing condition. This is just almost brand new. I'm shocked because this is such a nice bag. Like, this is perfect. It's just amazing. It has like a little stain inside, but you can't really see it actually. I took some photos, which is available on the website, so you can see, but you don't really see it actually. This is really nice. This little strap is very good condition too. The strap here also, like, it's all in very good condition, and this is the bigger size. So this is actually super great. And for the story of this bag, if you didn't know, this bag was created by Vuitton for a guy who made champagne. He wanted a bag where he could transport champagne. So this bag can actually fit 5 bottles of champagne, and I will make you a small video, a TikTok or a reel, anything, and I will post it on every social media where I show you how it fits 5 bottles of champagne. I can assure you this is actually the wine bag, the champagne bag. This is perfect to get like drunk. This is the drunk bag. If you want to go to make a picnic and transport champagne, wine, whatever, this is the bag you need to have. Okay, no kidding. This is a very good condition, and I'm gonna give you the price right now. So the price is $467 approximately, and in euro, 469 euros. So this is actually the best price you can get. Like, I don't know what you're waiting for, but if you want this bag, just comment the video below or send me a message on Instagram, for example, and I'll be very glad to give you more information about this bag. This is best price ever. Like, because actually Louis Vuitton has made an increase like few days ago. I don't know if you noticed, guys, but it was small, but still very annoying. Okay, I'm gonna show you the last designer items I have to sell to you like this week. This is the Chanel Vanity. This is just an amazing one. This is a vintage Chanel Vanity. This is so pretty. This is so cute. I want to keep it for me, guys. This is black leather. This is in good condition. Okay, I have a ticket here, so sorry. This is logo Chanel on the front here. It has like, no, you don't have lots of mark. So this is like very condition. This is very clean, and the leather is in very good condition, I can say. So this one, I'm looking at it now. This has like a top handle here. It can serve like as a vanity case, or you can also serve as a bag if you want to go outside with it. It can fit an iPhone, like for sure. It can fit lots of things actually. Okay, what I wanted to show you about this vanity was here. We can't really see it actually. It's like very small. It was glued a little bit because I think it was like detached a bit, damaged a bit. So it was glued but nicely. So it's actually very nice. And I'm gonna show you the inside of the bag. So the inside of the bag is very good condition too. I'm happy because this is not dirty. This doesn't smell like vintage or anything. So I'm very happy actually with the bag. I have here the little authenticity card of the bag. So this is nice. Inside you have a pocket here, and in the pocket you have the etiquette with the serial number. It is still here. So this is very good. You have a Chanel. The only thing also about this bag, but type of vanity, and on every model of this vintage one, it's almost on all model. This is a bit damaged here, and here no. But I think it's because this is the end of fermeture éclair. I don't know how to say it in English actually. If you have a word, tell me also in the comments, please. It will help to improve my English, so thank you in advance. Yes, this is just a bit damaged here, but this is not that much, and this is not like bad damage. So this is fine. You have like the card also, but besides this is very good condition. So I'm very happy that I could find this little baby. and the price for this one is 497 US dollar approximately, and in euro 499 euros, 499 euros. So I'm just very happy about the price because I'm so happy I can offer you like prices like this. This little baby is now available on the website. No guys, no kidding, I'm very grateful for you to be interested in my videos more and more. I'm very grateful for you to buy on my website or directly to me with invoice. If you have any question about the designer item I just showed you, ask your question in the comment section. And also, something very important, first arrive, first served. Always, always, always. No favor treatment. If you are the first arrive, I will sell you first, of course. Like, this is very important to me, but sometimes you need to be quick because some designer items go very fast and they sell on the website too. So please have in mind, first asked, first served, okay? So yes, that's it for today's video. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. It's very important to me and I'm very happy when you do this. Don't hesitate to comment my video too. I'd be very happy to read you and I will of course reply to you if you have any question. And yes, I'll see you in 2 seconds because I'm gonna give you 2 other videos to watch. I have more and more coming, so I'm very grateful. So thank you for watching. Merci beaucoup and I'll see you in a few seconds. Bye. Au revoir.